Everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: 2 square root of a, and here inside we have square root of a again, and which is equals to a. Let's provide solution very quickly. And the first thing here is to copy what we have 2 square root of here a, and inside we have square root of a again, which equals to a. And in this video we are going to show different method that we can use to solve this question. And this can be first method, so that here, and we know that here we have 2, and this square root can be written as a power 1 over 2 times, and because we have square root of, or square root of a can be written as a power 1 over 4, which equals to a. And here we can write 2 power a, then 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals to a. And here we have 2 times a power. This thing here we can write as 2 plus 1 equals to 3. A power 3 over 4 equals to a. And now here we can divide a power 3 over 4, and here a power 3 over 4 to get 2 equals to a power 1 minus 3 over 4, so that we shall get 2, which equals to a power 1 over 4, right? So that here on both sides we can multiply 4 power 4 here equals to a power 1 over 4 times 4, so that here 2 power 4 equals to a, so that here therefore a will be 16. And this is the first method. Whereas here second method will be, here we have 2 square root of a square root of a equals to a, and this can be written as 2 square root of here a, and inside the square root of a, then square, which equals to a squared, and this will be 2 squared times square root of here a square root of a squared, which equals to a squared, and this will be 4 times a square root of a, which equals to a squared, and here square again, so that you shall get 16 times a squared times a, which equals to a power 4, so that this is 16 a power 3, which equals to a power 4, so they shall divide a power 3 divide a power 3, and of course 16 will be a power 4 minus 3, so that 16 will be a. Therefore a equals to 16, as this is our solution. And we can come up here to check if our solution is correct. Here we have 2 square root of here 16, and the square root of 16 here again equals to 16, and this will be 2 times 4, and here times 2, which is equal to 16, and this will be 4 times 4 16, which equals to 16, to make that left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.